Word problems are not about math. They are about translation. If you can turn a story into equations, the math becomes routine. In this masterclass, you will learn a repeatable system that works for any word problem. Rate problems, percent problems, and mixture problems. Different stories, same structure, same thinking. Let's build that skill step by step. Every word problem follows the same logic, no matter how complicated it looks. Here's the system. Step 1. Define your variables. Decide exactly what you are solving for before you touch any math. Step 2. Translate the story into math, one sentence at a time. Never skip sentences. Step 3. Solve using algebra tools you already know. Step 4. Check the answer and interpret it back in words. If you follow these 4 steps in order, word problems stop being guesswork. Now let's apply the system. Here is the story. A bike travels 18 kilometers per hour for 2.5 hours. The question is, how far does it travel? Step 1. Define the variable. Let d represent distance, measured in kilometers. Step 2. Translate the sentence into math. Distance equals rate multiplied by time. So distance equals 18 multiplied by 2.5. Step 3. Solve. 18 times 2.5 equals 45. Step 4. Interpret the result. The bike travels 45 kilometers. Always check. The units make sense and the arithmetic checks out. Now a percent problem. A jacket is 25% off. The sale price is $45. What was the original price? Step 1. Define the variable. Let P represent the original price before the discount. Step 2. Translate the words carefully. 25% off means you are paying 75% of the original price. So 45 equals 0.75 times P. Step 3. Solve. Divide 45 by 0.75. That gives 60. Step 4. Interpret the result. The original price was $60. Check. 25% of 60 is 15. 60 minus 15 equals 45. Now we move to mixture problems. These look harder, but the structure is very predictable. Here is the story. Make 50 liters of a 20% solution. You have a 10% solution and a 30% solution. The question is, how many liters of each do you need? Step 1. Define variables. We must choose variables that represent amounts, not percentages. Let x be the liters of the 10% solution, and let y be the liters of the 30% solution. This choice is important. Percentages describe concentration, not quantity. Step 2. Translate the total amount. The total volume is 50 liters, so the first equation is x plus y equals 50. This equation comes directly from the phrase, make 50 liters. Step 3. Translate the concentration. Now we translate the percent information. 10% of x liters means 0.10 times x. 30% of y liters means 0.30 times y. The final mixture is 20% of 50 liters. So we write 0.10x plus 0.30y equals 0.20 times 50. That simplifies to 0.10x plus 0.30y equals 10. To remove the decimals, we multiply the entire equation by 10. That gives x plus 3y equals 100. Now we have a system of 2 equations. Now we solve the system. First equation, x plus y equals 50. Second equation, x plus 3y equals 100. To eliminate x, subtract the first equation from the second. That leaves 2y equals 50, so y equals 25. Substitute back into the first equation. If y is 25, then x must also be 25. Last step, interpretation. You need 25 liters of the 10% solution and 25 liters of the 30% solution. Always end by translating the math back into words. Here are the key ideas to remember. Variables come first. Bad variables create bad equations. Translate sentence by sentence. Every sentence matters. Use algebra tools with confidence. The math itself is never new. Always check and interpret your answer in words. If you can model it, you can solve it. Now it's your turn. Two numbers add to 46. Their difference is 8. Find the two numbers. Pause the video, define variables, build the system, solve it. If you want more practice problems, deeper explanations, or discussion with others learning the same system, you are welcome to join the channel's Discord server. Take your time. The story is never the problem. The translation is.